video, we're gonna work on the Montero Sport. I know you guys haven't seen the Montero in a long time because that's like my baby. You know what I'm saying? That's like a personal thing, you know what I'm saying? I'll fix it whether I put it on camera or not, you know what I'm saying? That's just for me. It's my favorite truck of all time. I am in need to fix or to clean up the headlights on it again because I think I cleaned it a couple of months ago and it started to go yellow again. So I'm like, you know what? Let me search for a company that has a good, really good cleaner. And I found this company right here. Boom! Cjs Formula right there, I'm saying. I contacted them and they was gracious enough to sponsor this video. How freaking awesome is that? And then after I use the lens cleaner, I'm gonna use metal gloss. Nope, that's not it. The sealer right here. Like I said, been talking too much. Let's get right to it. Hold the phone. I know what you guys are saying. I know it. You're like, your headlights are not even that dirty. Get something dirty and see if it works. But baby, boo, boo, boo. Let's do that right now for you. You know what I'm saying? Let's get right to it. Okay, so now they have a house and all. This is how it looks like. A little bit of clean. This is what most likely your headlight will look like. This headlight, I must admit, this was bought from a Montero Sport that was in the country. It's very rough. You can see it has some deep in there stuff. The yellowish, it took care of it, as you can see. That's why you see it clear. And that's why the hand polishers are really good. Now the contamination, I would recommend sanding it down with like a 600 grit, then 800, and then 1000 grit. Then polishing it and just seal it with this right here at the end of the day. So, as you can see, it does work. Even for really bad stuff like this, you can actually see the difference. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, so the cons I would say about this one is that it tends to dry up a little bit too quick, so you will need to use more product on the headlight to get it cleaned up. But that's the only con I see. And for this one, the other con that I see for this one is that, have you ever removed old wax? That's what I'm talking about. So if you leave this to dry for too long, like I did on plastic, it will be hard to take off. But the fog lights are pure glass, so that came off like butter. But the plastic one, don't leave it out for too long. Follow the instructions. It says 5 minutes and you'll be fine. Don't do it like me. I left it like for 15 minutes because I wanted to, you know, have a little extra shine. And the extra shine cost me extra work. I will link everything in the description so you guys can get yourself a pair of these or the metal gloss if you want it. I would definitely recommend this product to anybody. I will definitely be buying more of that after it's done. Listen, guys, God bless. Separate up.